If you are a small or new Black-owned business and you'd like to send me a product to be featured in a video, please email me down below at my business email and we can set something up. Or if you just want an unbiased review, again, email me. I am trying to do more to highlight Black-owned businesses and Black-owned services so that we can all elevate and come together. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Joche and I'm your go-to girl for all things real. In today's video, I'm going to be highlighting a Black-owned business, and this is the business of my friend Jessica. Now, she does actually have a boutique where she features clothes, but she recently launched Dress Olive Beauty and she is doing amazing. She's here on YouTube and she also has a website that you all can check out. She specializes in lip gloss, lip scrubs, lip oils, and her content is amazing. So y'all gotta make sure that you go over to her channel. I'm gonna link it down below, and also check her out on Instagram and see all the wonderful products that she has. Now, I am actually a brand ambassador for her business, so she sent me a package. There's nothing cute about how I did that. So, inside of my package is the Tropic Times Diamonds LED Wand Tube, the Rose Gold Lip Oil. And I received this because I'm brand ambassador. Woo! So cute. And it has her business card in there too. So let me open this for y'all. I love seeing her post on Instagram. She always posts when she's shipping orders, what products she's working on, that she's launching. Y'all be sure to go check her out. I actually am going to link down a code if I can find it as well, because she gave me a 15% off code for y'all. So if y'all shop on her website, whether her boutique or her business for beauty, then you'll get a discount. She has a boutique where she has clothing items, accessories, scarves, things for, I would say, up to 2X is what I remember seeing. But also, she has a Dress Olive Beauty line, and that's the newest focus of her business. So she sent me some samples. So this one is the rose. Let me look at it. I think this one is the rose oil. Oh, wow. This one is just so pretty. I love that. And then this was the moisturizing lip balm, and it has beeswax, shea butter, and essential oils. My lips was getting a little chapped because I've been filming. That feels good. Dress Olive. And then she sent me the Dress Olive wand. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, it lights up. That's so cute. This one's my favorite. This is a whole vibe right here. So my favorite item of the three is definitely this lip gloss. Not only is it super cute, it feels good on. It's not sticky. Like sometimes lip gloss can be a little sticky. and it sticks together and it just doesn't feel good on the lips. But all of these products feel awesome. Like the chapstick, I think, is a good start, and then you put the lip gloss on top. Y'all know I don't wear makeup, so I'm really just like a chapstick and lip gloss type of girl anyway, so I'm really loving this lip gloss. Thank you, Jessica, for allowing me to be part of your brand ambassador program and for sending me these lovely samples. Girl, my lips are popping. If y'all are interested in supporting her business and shopping Dress Olive Beauty, then be sure to look at the link in my description box. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.